What's the most dangerous kind of weather you faced in North Texas?
So today we were given the opportunity for Channel 11 to come and talk about the weather with our kids.
We do this program called Weather on Wheels. We do a series of experiments and try to teach them some fundamental things about the weather and try to use an experiment to explain what they just saw to hopefully explain something new and teach them something about the atmosphere or storms.
He really was able to relate with the kids. He changed his voice. He kept it interesting.
It was awesome. It was like really funny too.
We feel that we serve the public. Normally time we serve the public on air, warning them about weather, but the other ways we serve the public is teaching kids about the weather they live in.
I learned about how the sun heats up the ground, and so the heat radiation affects your body, and so the hottest time is around 3 to 4.
I've been going to schools for like 30 years. I would put this school kind of on the higher end of where fourth graders are. What I can tell you is that I talked to fourth graders today, but I got sixth grader questions. And I got sixth grader response to them understanding what I was teaching. So that's a big compliment to the teachers and the school district itself.